You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Hyundai Palisade. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy a new level of comfort and convenience on all your family outings in this spacious Palisade. Crossover versatility, flexible interior layout, advanced safety features, silky V6 power, and 3-row seating make this SUV an unbeatable value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, head-up display, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, 3rd-row seat, sun, moonroof, navigation system, fog lamps, satellite radio, power liftgate. Turn on the calm and drive on in this family-friendly Palisade. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.